Alright, good morning everyone. I am providing an update here of the construction near my house. Uh, Probably over 6 months ago, I made a video of empty lot here. Now the houses here now. Almost complete. Right, and they're now building more homes in this area. My house over there. So this was an empty lot back then, 6 months ago. Now you see all these homes now. Let me walk over there so you can see better. So this community is gonna be called Heritage Trace here in Salisbury. So these properties, these homes are located just across from Pemberton Elementary School. So if you having a family or have little kids who plan to go to school soon and you move to this area, so the school is just across the street, which is very convenient. Right now they're starting construction on that side over there, so there will be homes being built in that area pretty soon. And there's an access road over there to the other side, so you can go to Food Lion. So there's a plaza over there. There's Food Lion and other stores, Dunkin' Donut, Chinese food, and other stores over there. I think Dairy Queen's over there too. So Dairy Queen's and McDonald's over there is pretty close. You can go to McDonald's through the main road over there, the Pemberton Drive, or going through the back road over there. So it will be really convenient. So stores, and of course there's a Royal Farm just across the street. So pretty much it's very convenient, for services in this area. You can see the community over there, and there's a playground. I think the playgrounds and the parties area belongs to that community. So I mean, you can use it, I think, but it's reserved, or it's for folks living in that area. What else? So if you drive on that back road over there all the way, there's a there's a rolling point park, I believe. Yeah, so you can take your kids swimming, fishing, or do any other boating over there too. So it's a very popular spot during the summertime. Uh, all right, everybody. I will provide more update later. So at this time, it is what it is now. Construction's going on. These homes are almost complete. So, all right, I'll provide more update later. Have a good day now. It's Sunday, so like somebody's still working on that site over there. All right, everyone. Have a good day now.